Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review to witness this absolutely incredible pre-owned American heavy-duty 21.5 inch by 36 inch heavy-duty engine lathe. This happens to be a Model C, serial number 7865568. More than anything, we'd like to indicate this is an extremely low-hour machine and it runs absolutely fantastic. It was just recently released from long-time standby storage. This also happens to be our stock number 9019. Okay, that being said, we're going to go ahead and run the machine and show you how well it performs. Go ahead, Frank. On your left.
23.
Okay, we're currently running at 23 RPMs. This has a fantastic range of spindle speeds, starting from 23, where we just were, up to 1500.
51.
That's 51 RPMs. That being said, in the 23 to 1500 range, we have 18 different changes to choose from. Thank you. Clear?
17.
I'll take your word for it. Okay, the overall weight on this machine is about 8,600 pounds. It takes up 10 foot of floor space. It's 5 foot wide, 120 inch long, has a 20 horsepower main drive motor. What RPM we running?
157.
That's 157 RPM. Okay, taking a look at the ways up here, the headstock, the compound, the cross slide. Going back on the rear ways. Heavy duty tailstock. Speaking of the tailstock, this has a number 4 Morse taper in the hole.
1,000.
Here's 1,000 RPM. We're currently running a 10-inch 3-jaw with 2-piece top jaws. This is an L1 direct mount chuck. The spindle taper is an L1.
Well said.
That's the nice thing about the American Tool Works company out of Cincinnati, Ohio.
15.
Heavy duty pattern, runs great. So responsive, so responsive. Okay, establishing the facts. It's a 21.5 inch swing over the bed by 36 inches between centers. It has 14.5 inches swing over the cross slide. The machine is equipped with the tailstock, coolant, built-in chip pan down here. I'll show you from the back as well. There's a heck of a lot of threads on here. There's 66 threads ranging from 2 to 120 TPI. And there's 66 feeds. Again, it's a 20 horsepower main drive motor, heavy pattern machine. Speaking of being heavy pattern, the bed width on this machine is actually 16 inches wide. That's 16 inches wide width of bed. I'd like to point out the beefiness of the compound. The carriage, the apron, the headstock, just super rigid, heavy pattern. This machine's not afraid to take a heavy-duty cut, ladies and gentlemen. It's a 20 horsepower main drive motor. Well, that's nice. Thanks for showing us that. The spindle bore on this machine happens to be in the neighborhood of 2 inch plus on the clearance. And more than anything, we wanted to point out lastly, as well as the condition on this machine, it's a hardway machine. These are flame induction hardways built by American Tool. All common wear parts for American machines are still available. Oh, let me get over there. So we're currently opening up the inside door on the headstock area here. Getting in there, doing up close inspection. I want you to listen to the fact that the headstock sounds so quiet and smooth where we're at. Okay, thanks for showing me that. I'm going to walk around the back. I'm going to come off the tripod and show them the back real fast with the motor. Okay, the last thing I'd like to point out is the fact that this is a 20 horsepower main drive motor. And the coolant pump is down here on the back side. Hey, will you move the apron away from the headstock for me? Here's the built-in chip pan. Showing you the tailstock. And one last super nice shot of the ways up here the headstock. Okay, well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, if we can help out with answering any additional questions, please feel free to give us a call at 801-531-9500. As well as the fact that these photos, additional photos in this video, can be found on our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. We're out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We look forward to taking care of your needs in the future. Thanks again. Have a great day.